Shop Talk. We're looking at the Husqvana 272 XP chainsaw, very powerful chainsaw in the 70 to 72 cc range. And we'll go over some of the features this saw has. Kill switches on the upper left, chokers on the right, operator presence lever, as well as a throttle lock. You can squeeze this down, lock the trigger, hold it open while you're starting this high compression saw on the ground. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir. Working chain brake. Has the Western wrap handlebar, nice feature. Large falling spike. Quiet tone muffler. Has a dual ported buffer. You can see the extra port on the back here. Gives you extra power. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up. Right on the inside is your tensioner. Just a very nice, powerful, Swedish made muscle chainsaw.